Howdy folks, I'm Dave Wright with Victor Hiking Trails. We're located in Victor, New York, and we are responsible for about 30 miles of trails in the town of Victor, keeping them in good shape. We also create new trails, working with different landowners and sometimes with the planning board. So today our little project is to install a bat house that was donated to our organization about a year or two ago, and we're finally got a little group that's going to be putting it up in Fisher's Park. We are currently at Chauncey Young's house. This is where we do all of our machine maintenance. We're going to be hauling the equipment, the post for the bat house, the donated bat house itself, over to Fisher's Park, which is right across the street from Chauncey's house. So now we are going to be on Old Dutch Road. We'll see how this makes it around the turn. So far so good. Get it in gear. It's George on the tiller. Three ladies with a wheelbarrow. Gotta go up a hill. Well, we are now in Fisher's Park. We're actually on property that used to belong to the Young family. That was acquired by the town several years ago as an addition to the original Fisher's Park. Well, we decided on this location in Fisher's Park, not too far from a neighbor, not too far from a pond. It's open for a south view so that it can get warmed up during the day. The bats like a warm house. And this is very wet, muddy clay. I don't know if it's clay, but it's definitely near the water table. This is the hole. That is the hole. This is the bat box that was donated to the organization. This is where the bats will be living. They like it nice and cozy. This is a two-person operation. Chauncey goes in with the post hole digger, gets a clump of wet mud. Now we're down to the sand level while Carol demuds the post hole digger. So the hole is past 36 inches, trying to get down to 42. That would be below the frost line, to make sure that this pole stays upright for a few years.
They're preparing to lift the pole and put it into the hole that they just dug. It's going up. It's going up. There it goes. It's gonna go in the hole.
Ow! It's to slide down.
Yes. Why is that sliding? There it goes.
Stuck on the mud. It's out of there.
And there we are. There's the bat house. Now they're filling the hole with dirt and rocks. It's being supported by Marie and Carol and George. Here's what it looks like close up. And there is the bat house way up on the top.
That little project took about an hour and a half for the 6 of us, so we feel real good about that. We hope that you enjoy this little instruction on how to put up your own bat house. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get alerted about our upcoming videos. Thanks for joining. See you later.